As a wife, homemaker, and mother, life can be a little bit overwhelming, but figuring out how to balance each facet of your life is important when we want to do what's best for our family and serve our homes and manage our homes well. So today I'm just going to bring you along on a day with me and share what I do to try to maintain that balance to the best of my ability. One of the best things for me in balancing life and trying to do it all is schedules and routines. Having a set time for breakfast, for my own quiet time in the morning, for getting my girls ready and having some learning time with them and outdoor time, and even just being able to relax and enjoy the beautiful spring outdoors in the nature, and just looking for bugs and hanging homemade wind chimes on nails and just enjoying what time I have with the two girls that I do have before this third baby comes, and being able to just relax and be encouraged by the creativity and the funny moments of little ones. That's all part of homemaking and being a stay-at-home mom and balancing work life, play life, motherhood, marriage, all of that. Just viewing it in a light of what you are doing is good and trying to keep a good balance on it. And with that work comes keeping a tidy home, outdoors and indoors. My girls enjoy pulling grasses and weeds and rocks, and so what better way for me to get some weeds pulled than to have them out exploring the front little landscape area that we have and getting them to help in their little way and just getting a task done while they're still having fun. I always continue my cleaning routine and schedule if I can, if I'm not gone for the day. And this is my kitchen day. So you guys have seen me clean my kitchen, but there are just some things I wanted to get a little bit deeper of a clean, like the side of the stove and the inside of the oven. And so finding 30 minutes in my day while the girls are playing, while they might be watching a 15-minute show, to just get this task done. So balancing that time of mom needs to get something done and telling your littles that it's okay for you to play creatively together as siblings or on your own is important too. Or if they're still playing outside where you can watch them while you get some cleaning done on the inside, I think that's totally okay, and that's what I am doing here. So shaking out my mat that I have underneath of my oven racks, getting the inside of it cleaned with my favorite cleaner, Barkeeper's Friend, that is not natural. I use natural cleaners most of the time, but this is better for being a little more abrasive. Doing a little school with my toddlers is something I try to balance in each day and find important. So whether it be tracing lines, figuring out what direction to go with tracing those lines, just getting their little minds to think and just be creative with what they're doing. And I think that is just part of a training aspect as well. And I enjoy seeing their little minds work in that way. Part of being a homemaker, stay-at-home mom of littles, is figuring out when to let go of certain things. And this vacuum has been an assistance in letting go of that part of my homemaking and my cleaning. I do use a regular vacuum as well in other parts of my home sometimes, but this vacuum has been an asset. It will clean the corners, it'll spot clean. It has just been wonderful, and as you can tell, I've used it quite a bit. It gets dirty pretty quickly, so every week cleaning that filter, but the Vactity robot vacuum is one you can check out in the description box. I will put a promo code for you as well if you are interested in purchasing this vacuum. I like that I can also download the app and use that as well to clean. So I can be sitting working a video and my vacuum will clean around me, or I can be doing another task and my vacuum will do what I would like it to do. So definitely check out the description box and get that discount code so you can purchase your Vactity robot vacuum today that I so much have appreciated in making my life a little bit simpler, making it so that I can enjoy my kiddos, so I can do other tasks at that time, and just being okay with letting go of an aspect of cleaning my home. It is still the kitchen cleaning day, like I said, so just wiping some crumbs down, moving a few things around that have not been moved in a while to wipe the counters down, crumbs get under there, dust, cleaning off my pitcher of tulips, just those little things to get done during my daughter's nap time. And I can clean when they're awake too, but sometimes I just find it soothing to throw on a podcast, throw on some music, and do a little homemaking. There is definitely a time to take care of bills, take care of computer work, and finding that time that works best for you and making that be a part of your day is important. So I do a lot of my editing of my vlogs and my videos and my blog and paying bills and some of those things during my girls' nap time. So just doing those things, I've said this before, that take more brain power and that I cannot be interrupted so much in, is important to do during that time of girls sleeping or napping or during their quiet time. And laundry, just always laundry. So I always just throw a clip in of laundry because this is just daily life. I try to do a load every day because I'm home and I can. Even if you're not home, you could start it in the morning, get it in the dryer, and then fold it in the evening while you're watching a show or while you're talking to your spouse, whatever. So I just always try to keep that laundry rolling. That way it doesn't pile up on a particular day or on the weekend for me. Balancing life also includes finding the beauty in the little things, like watching the rain fall down on this spring day. Making homemade from scratch meals is important to me, and Wednesday nights is our breakfast night, so some sourdough drop biscuits with a organic pork gravy is something that I am excited to make for my family on this night. And whether you are learning just to cook or if you've been cooking for a long time, I just think it's important to cook healthy, nutritious meals for your family that they enjoy. And start somewhere with food. If you're not sure how to do from scratch, you don't have to start with making all the sourdough breads and all those things. Just incorporate a few fresh ingredients here and there. But that's part of balancing my home and my life, is doing these things that I enjoy, cooking from scratch, cleaning my home, spending time with my children, and also spending time in the evening to relax and just enjoy the fellowship and community I get with my spouse, and to just kind of take my mind off of the day or recoup the day, rehash the day, and just rest in knowing that tomorrow is coming and that it was a good day.